Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator, Stan Bertolo from Nitro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
Today is November 19th, 2024. Here is what we are covering. On January 6, 2021, a significant attack on democracy occurred as thousands gathered, driven by unfounded election fraud claims. Despite substantial evidence refuting this fraud, many continue to believe these falsehoods, showing a troubling resistance to facts. Harvard law professor Lawrence Lessig suggests democracy functions like an analog AI designed for the common good, but struggling against digital AI's influence. The rise of AI, especially via social media, has exploited human weaknesses, worsening polarization and misinformation. This situation renders society less capable of acting in democracy's best interest. Lessig advocates for urgent democratic reforms, like citizen assemblies, to protect democratic processes from AI manipulation. Speaking of AI's impact, Elon Musk recently encouraged users on X to submit their medical images to Grok, the platform's AI tool. Users obliged, sharing X-rays and MRIs for diagnostic purposes. Critics, including privacy experts, are alarmed by the potential misuse of sensitive health data. Some users experienced Grok's inaccuracies, like misidentifying a fractured clavicle. Despite these concerns, certain doctors and users are intrigued by the technology's diagnostic potential. However, the lack of HIPAA protections raises concerns about privacy and the safe handling of this data. Moving from tech to marketing, brands are increasingly finding value in reaching niche audiences on Substack, a platform where writers monetize through newsletters. The platform allows brands to engage with over 3 million paying subscribers through affiliate marketing, despite some recent content moderation backlash. Melanie Massarin, founder of Gia, successfully uses Substack to promote her brand and other companies via affiliate links. The effectiveness of affiliate marketing on Substack is illustrated by significant product sales driven by micro-influencers, not necessarily those with large social media followings. Substack allows creators to provide comprehensive content, enhancing the user's experience and fostering trust in the advertised products. According to experts, audiences are drawn to authentic recommendations, seeking detailed insights rather than overly commercial content. Shifting focus to workplace issues, lookism in the workplace affects women profoundly, with appearance judged over performance. Research highlights pervasive criticism regardless of whether women are perceived as attractive or not. Instances include being labeled too cute to be serious or too distracting for male colleagues. This issue is worse post-Kamala Harris's election loss, pushing women into stereotypical roles. Challenges extend across clothing, hair, tattoos, and more, emphasizing a discriminatory culture stifling women professionally. Now, in contrast to X.com, Blue Sky has declared it has no intention of using user content to train generative AI. This assurance comes as artists and creators migrate from X.com, concerned about their data use. Unlike Blue Sky, X.com, led by Elon Musk, announced it will now use user posts to train its Grok AI. X.com has previously altered its privacy policy to allow access to user data for AI training. As of November 15th, X.com's policy changes permit the use of public posts for AI development unless users opt out. Finally, about another rising AI player, Mistral, the French AI startup, has unveiled new AI models and chat features to strengthen its foothold in the AI industry. Enhancements include upgraded chatbot capabilities, a Canvas tool for content editing, and improved file processing functions. Their new AI models, Pixtral Large and Mistral Large 24.11, offer advanced text and image processing. These innovations aim to provide affordable, advanced AI solutions while maintaining customer focus. Despite a competitive market, Mistral is strategically expanding its offerings.
Thank you for tuning in to AI in Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.